People often assume that actors are naturally just confident because you love what you do and you love putting yourself on stage, that you don't suffer from any nerves or anxiety. I know this isn't true. And I know that stage fright and nerves about acting can come at any stage in your career. It doesn't have to stay that way. It isn't about feeling the fear and doing it anyway. There are ways of changing the way you think so you can let go of your fears and insecurities and get back to loving what you do and loving getting out in front of an audience. I know this because I teach this and I taught it to hundreds of people. If you'd like to find out how it works, why not join me for my Free Your Voice workshops that are happening in April? I've got one live and in person, so if you can, make it to that because live and in person always works brilliantly. If you can't, I've got another one that's live online, so you can come to it wherever you are in the world. Take a look at my website or the link in my bio for more details, but I'd love to see you there so you can start changing the way you think and get back to loving what you do.